Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can remove password from Windows 11, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to go over here, then go to the setting options. Once you come over here, then you will find out the options. Here actually you can see this one. So from that place you just need to go to the privacy and security, and from that place you will find out a couple of things here. So if you don't find out anything here, you just need to go to the accounts again and come over that place, and you will eventually see the option sign in options. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now you can see there is a couple of options like facial recognition. The option is currently available. Then fingerprint recognition, it is also available. Then we have this pin security key password. So I already added and password, so I will click over here and you will set it up. Just click to the change. Once you click over here, then you will get the options to remove this one. So I already add sign in option, so if I want to click on this one, then easily it will be removed. Like click over that place, and are you sure you want to remove your pin? Having a pin makes it easier to sign into Windows, make payments and connect to apps. So it's totally depend on you are if you want to leave it here this way or you can remove it. So this is the way actual you can easily remove your password in Windows 11. I give you the step-by-step guideline. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic.